Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos with text on Telegram chat on your PC with the latest update. Let's explore the steps to make your Telegram messaging experience more dynamic and engaging. To get started, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by accessing the web version of Telegram. Once you're on WhatsApp Web, open the chat where you want to send multiple videos with text. Within the chat window, look for the attachment icon and click on it. This will prompt you to choose photos and videos to send. Select the videos you want to share with the chat members. After choosing the videos, click Open to add them to your message. The selected videos will be attached and ready to be sent in the chat. Next, navigate to the caption bar where you can write the text you want to accompany the videos. Add your message or caption to provide context or additional information. Once you have written your text and added the videos, it's time to send them. Click the Send button to share the videos along with your text in the Telegram chat. By following these steps, you can easily send multiple videos with text on Telegram chat on your PC, allowing you to communicate effectively and express yourself creatively. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos with text on Telegram chat today, and make your conversations more lively and interactive for you and your chat partners.